Hey, what's going on, nation? I'm Scott from MuscularStrength.com, and today we're going to have a bit of a more chill and real talk video as we dig a little deeper into a subject that we've talked about before, and it's the skinny fat body type. Now, in the first video that I did, which you can actually check out right now in the Muscular Strength app under articles, we talked about more of like the basic reasons why you could be skinny fat, like using a diet that's too extreme, training with workouts that were not programmed correctly, or you may just be naturally skinny but eat like crap and don't really train at all. But today, we're going to get a bit more into the specifics of the mentality of training to help you understand how 3 very specific reasons might be holding you back. But before we get started, be sure to click that notification bell so you never miss a new video upload from me. And some quick good news, guys. This is going to be my last week in this apartment because after 6 months of delays, my new home is finally ready, and I am so excited you guys have no idea. So, thumbs up for that. I can't wait to move in. But alright guys, back on track. Reason number 1, you're constantly increasing your training intensity but not your calorie intake. What I see a lot in my gym is people who are trying to lose that last layer of body fat, especially around their midsection, and they go into what I like to call psycho training mode. They perform a 2-hour workout plus cardio for 45 minutes and then end it with the sauna or steam room. Yeah, in theory, it might sound like it'll work, and I wouldn't even doubt that some stupid magazine somewhere said a celebrity did this to get ripped for a movie.
I just did one thing.
I need to know.
I worked out 6 hours a day, every day, for the last 20 years straight.
But my daddy always told me to work smart, not hard, all right? And this, my friends, this is a recipe for disaster. Not just physically, but mentally as well. You can only push yourself this hard for so long before your body starts to shut down. And I'm not saying that pushing your body is bad. What I'm getting at here is that people who go into psycho training mode do all this intense work but never increase their calories. Then because of all this extra work, their calorie deficit becomes so huge that instead of burning fat, their bodies start burning muscle in order to obtain the nutrients and energy their body needs to keep up with all the excessive training. So if this sounds like you, the solution is simple. Yes, you can boost the intensity of your workouts, but if the goal is to get shredded, maybe instead of doing longer muscle building workouts where you hit your chest for 3 hours, you need to be smart and switch up your workout to something like a full body circuit where you're doing exercises like burpees, jumping lunges, plyo push-ups, dumbbell curls into shoulder presses, bent over rows to rear delt raises, etc. Basically, switch your workout to something that is geared toward burning more calories in a shorter amount of time, and make sure you adjust your meal plan so that you actually have the energy to perform these workouts. Reason number 2, you do the same workout every day, every week, every month, and every year. And this actually came up because there's a woman in my gym that I've seen do the same butt and leg workout every single day for about the past month. And actually, what's funny about this is when I first met my wife in the gym, she used to do the same thing. Leg day every day. And now, I know most of my viewers are men, but this still applies to you, and I'll explain. How many times and for how long have you been going to the gym and been just going through the same motions of the same routine? You know what exercises to do, what order to do them in, and you don't need a journal because you've already memorized all the weights you lift for every single set. This, my friends, means that your intensity is in the toilet. Yes, you're still weight training, but the muscle stimulation isn't what it used to be when you first started out, and you've most likely plateaued months ago. But the worst part about this is the psychological effect it'll have on you. In your brain, you know that you've been going to the gym to train every week, so why are you not seeing results? Well, the only thing it could be is your meal plan, right? So if you're training for muscle growth, you'll probably try to eat more food to see gains. And if you're training for fat loss, you'll most likely start reducing your calories even more to lose more fat. But no matter what you do, each choice is going to lead towards increasing that skinny fat look. So what is the real problem here? Well, it's that you don't have a game plan, a strategy, or a vision. And that's okay. That's why I'm here, and that's why you're watching this video. You need a proper workout program geared towards your goal and increasing the intensity of your training month after month so you don't plateau with your progress, whether it's for muscle gain or fat loss. Then, once your workout plan is in order, if you're still not seeing the results you want, then we can take a closer look at your meal plan. And reason number 3 as to why you're still skinny fat is that you're not drinking enough water. So for those of you trying to lose weight, I've noticed that a lot of people seem to think that sweat is fat. I know, this sounds crazy, but let me explain. When you rely on the scale for weight loss, all you focus on is that number going down. So you do everything you can to sweat and not take on too much water weight. And for those of you trying to build muscle, you might be reaching for a sandwich every couple hours, but not your water bottle. Because let's face it, drinking water is boring and easy to forget about. Like, I'll literally be telling myself I'm not thirsty, and then I'll go grab a drink that I like a soda or an energy drink, and I can down that in 2 seconds. But if I were to grab some water, I'd be like, I don't really want to drink this right now. It happens to all of us, guys. But we have to remember that water is so important no matter what your goal is. Water aids with proper digestion to make minerals and nutrients more accessible to the body, and then once digested, water also helps your body excrete waste through perspiration, urination, and pooping. But what most people fail to realize is that our bodies are about 60% water, and we're losing water all day long through breathing, sweating, and as we just mentioned, digestion. Your body also uses water in all its cells, organs, and tissues to help regulate its temperature and maintain other bodily functions. So if reasons number 1 and 2 don't apply to you, and you're still skinny fat, well then the missing key must be not drinking enough water, which is about 1.5 to 2 liters a day. I'd also like to mention that on those days where you feel super flat, or maybe you just can't get a good pump in the gym, think about how much water you've consumed lately. I bet the answer is going to be not enough. Think about this as well, guys. If you're drinking anything else, which includes energy drinks, soda, coffee, or pre-workouts, or even pre-workouts mixed with water, even though those are liquids, your body still needs more water to help break those down for digestion. So, not all fluids are made equal is what I'm trying to say. Just because something might contain water, it doesn't necessarily count towards your daily goal. So drink up. I hope this quick video helped you all learn something today that you can take with you to reach your fitness goals. And if you guys would like a more in-depth video on how we sabotage ourselves when it comes to weight loss or cutting after finishing a few months of bulking, do me a favor and smash that like button. If we can hit over 4,000 likes, I will make that video a top priority to ensure once the holidays are over, you won't make any mistakes coming January 2019. But until then, if you haven't already, be sure to download my app Muscular Strength for access to all my 12-week muscle building and fat loss programs and custom meal planner. Your support is very much appreciated, guys, and if you already have the app, I will be doing an early release of my full body program later in the week, so you will get first access to it. So train hard, and as always, more good stuff coming soon. See you guys. Go.